Hey y'all, we're going fishing today. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. Here, fishy, fishy, fishy. I think we got us a big one. Doing a little meal prepping tonight. Got 5 pounds of wild caught cod we got from Sam's earlier in my video, and this is actually a great idea I come up with. These are my girlfriend's coolant sheets for cookies, and you put them on your baking sheet here, and you get a little more airflow under the fish or whatever you're cooking, and it's kind of almost like you're grilling it outside. And then all we did was we kept it simple and put a little pink Himalayan sea salt and a little garlic on it. Make sure you get you some olive oil spray and spray that baking sheet real good, and get you a good meat thermometer. And you can meal prep this right at home. You know, it's wild caught cod. They have that at Sam's over there. It's high quality fish, and it's not really hard to do this. It's not expensive. People say it's expensive, but if you really do the math with all the eating out most people do, I'm eating 6 meals a day, and I guarantee you, I'm spending less a week on eating than you are, because you're eating out so much. That just takes a little bit of time and making it simpler for yourself. And we'll show you some finished products when we're done of how we're gonna separate it out and everything. Thank y'all for all the support. Y'all take it easy now.